Hello, class ninth. Today we are going to start with the topic Foundation of Indian National Congress, which was a part of lesson 2, page 96. Main objective of the lessons are as follows: Formation of Indian National Congress, Father of Indian National Congress, Early Nationalist, Political Unity. Before discussing the topic, we must know the following terms like racial discrimination, prejudicial treatment on the basis of color, political consciousness, awareness about the government or public affair of the country, nationalism, feeling of fraternity or brotherhood. Public education, it means to prepare people to be the productive members of society. Moderate leaders, dominating leaders from the period 1885 to 1905. Poverty, a situation when the people are unable to fulfill their basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter. Forum, common platform where the views can be exchanged on a specific issues. Now, today we are going to start with the topic that is Foundation of Indian National Congress. Before this topic, we must know this thing that Indians were not satisfied with the British unjust policies like racial discrimination, policy of annexation, economic exploitation. When the Indian peasants were compelled to grow the commercial crops for the raw material so that they could dump the finished good into the Indian market at very high price. All these factors created the feeling of political consciousness and they formed the various political organizations like Local Land Society in 1836 in Kolkata by Dwarkanath Tagore, British Indian Society in 1839 by William Adam, Indian Association in 1876 by S.N. Banerjee, Bengal British India Society 1843, East India Association in London in 1866 by Dadabhai Nauroji. Now, these all organizations, they were not national in character, but they played very eminent role in the formation of Indian National Congress, which was formed in 1885 by A.O. Hume. Now let's have a reading part for this. The unjust administration of the English in India and the policy of racial discrimination followed by them led to the discontentment. Discontentment means dissatisfaction among the Indian leaders against the British rule. They also created a political consciousness, it means political awareness among the Indians and strengthened the spirit of patriotism, means feeling of love for your own country. Various political organizations, as we have mentioned earlier, and their political activities had prepared the ground for the creation of a political organization which would embrace the whole of India and bring together into the one body the several political associations and political conscious individuals scattered over the country, which was that national organization that was the Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress, as we have discussed, that was formed in the 1885 by A.O. Hume. A.O. Hume was known as the father of Indian National Congress. Along with the moderate leaders S.N. Banerjee, Firoz Shah Mehta, Dadabhai Naroji, who has given the theory of drain of wealth. All they wanted to form all India political body. Along with them, the most prominent role was played by A.O. Hume, who supported them a lot as he was a passion for liberty. A.O. Hume was known as a father of Indian National Congress. He was a retired member of ICS, Indian Civil Services. He played very eminent role in the formation of Indian National Congress. He wanted to set up an organization that would draw the government's attention towards the administrative drawbacks and suggest the means to remove them. Alan Octavian Hume, he was a person, he played a very eminent role in the political organization that is Indian National Congress. Now let's have a reading. The political conscious Indians were becoming aware of the need of all India organization. This would provide a common platform for the members of nationalist. As we have discussed, the nationalist means the moderate leaders who wanted to bring the change through the constitutional methods and the formulation of the common program of the activity. It would also carry on the work of public education. Public education, as we have discussed, to make the member productive members for the society in order to create a broad based freedom struggle, while the Indian leaders like S.N. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Badruddin Tyabji, Justice Ranade were moving towards the formation of all India political body. Hume supported The birth of Indian National Congress. Mr. Hume, and full name of Hume is Alan Octavian Hume. He was a retired member of Indian Civil Services. He played an eminent role in the foundation of Indian National Congress. That is why he is considered as a father of Indian National Congress. He wanted to set up an organization that would draw the government's attention towards the administrative drawbacks. Drawbacks means weaknesses, and suggest means to remove them. And he has also suggested the different means to remove the drawbacks. Besides, he also professed to help the Indian to develop themselves intellectually, socially, related with the society, and politically to the administrative level. He wrote an open letter to the graduates of Calcutta University. Graduate means the highly educated University on March 1st, 1883, imploring them to dedicate themselves to the service of people and to form a uniform union to organize the follow and well defined lines of action. That is why the Indian National Congress was formed, which was national organization, and this is the national political organization. Now children, till today we will do till here, and you will have to reread this part again and learn the following terms. Thank you.